Right then, a really quick follow-up video. Thermometer. See? Still stuck at, yeah, shitty degrees. Oh, you can zoom in. Point of my video, it's just a quick one. Got a new super duper fan, which does actually fucking work. I promise you. I know I'm sweating, but I've been cooking. Right, so what you need to do is get your pint glass. Oh yes, you will need one of these again. Beer, of course. Crack that open. And you just simply take this bottle here, loosen, oh this is going to end up in a disaster. Loosen this screw here. There you go. Oh, it's making me want to pee. There you go. And guess what? You can actually drink that because that's sort of icy, tapey water. Maybe? Or maybe I'm talking utter shit. Just hurry along. Right, I'll just get rid of this. There goes another one. Like I say, this is, oh hang on, this is going to be a problem. That's going to be a fucker. Right. I should title it How Not to Need a Pee. Oh my goodness. Oh. Right, yes. That's a bit leaky, that one. Take, oh. And it's all ready to go again. Hold on 30 seconds and I'll run downstairs and get some more ice. Party ice. See, look, it's to start over. I can't really smash it because the neighbours are in bed. You fucking beat it up with some of that. Okay. What is it for? There we go. Plop one in there. I'll turn it on. Let's be brave. Oh, it's not plugged in. Probably a good idea. See if I can fit this massive fucking chunk in there. I'm sure it will. Look at that. This is gonna. Oh, what? Drippy. I'm gonna beat it with some. Obviously, ice melts, as you can see, isn't it? It's like, and plug this in. I've got a big old wet hands, a bit of wiping. Now that ice wouldn't have melted so quick if this was a shit idea. That's okay. That's already dripping in the bottoms though. It's fucking electrics. So yeah, oh yeah, look at this. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, I might have to put a jumper on. Isn't it? beer for half time. Right, anyway, there's your update.